Nothing OS 4, the next big update from Nothing that will change how we use our phones, is almost here to impress the mass audience, while users are waiting for the open beta release followed by the stable rollout. Nothing OS 4 is based on Android 16 and brings a smoother design, smarter performance, and new features that improve everyday use. The company has already started a closed beta program for selected users on the Nothing Phone 3, and the next step is the open beta, which will be available to more users sooner than you think. The open beta release of Nothing OS 4 is confirmed, but the exact date has not been shared. Community updates from the company say it is coming soon, which means users can expect it to arrive in September 2025. This will let many people test the new software, give feedback, and help Nothing make the system more stable before the final release. By the way, did you get the beta version? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. After the open beta, the focus will shift to the stable release of Nothing OS 4. The company has already confirmed that the stable version will come in late 2025, which is between October and November. Looking at the timeline of last year gives a good idea of what to expect. Nothing OS 3, which was based on Android 15, had its beta testing earlier in the year and was finally released as a stable update in December 2024. If Nothing follows a similar schedule, then Nothing OS 4's stable update should arrive in November 2025. The pattern is clear. Closed beta testing began in August, the open beta is expected in the first half of October, and a stable build should follow after a few weeks of improvements. This timeline matches the company's promise of an autumn release. So, while some sources suggest the rollout might extend into late 2025, the most reliable estimate is that the stable update will be ready by November. Additionally, tech tipsters like TechieBoy and other reliable sources suggest we might see Nothing OS 4 open beta release either by today or tomorrow. Nothing OS 4 is an important step for Nothing's software journey. It not only brings Android 16 to Nothing smartphones, but also offers better performance, a cleaner interface, and improved features for customization. Fans are looking forward to seeing how the company continues to refine the user experience. With the open beta almost here, and the stable update likely just a few weeks later, Nothing OS 4 is shaping up to be one of the most awaited software releases of the year. In summary, the Nothing OS 4 is shaping up to be one of the biggest AI-focused updates in the entry smartphone industry. It is clean, smooth, and most importantly, AI-driven, which will make the user experience even better. The AI usage dashboard will give users an idea of how much they are utilizing AI in their daily use. It's interesting to see how this will perform. Nothing is definitely on the way to beat Apple in terms of software. Additionally, Nothing has also shared its clear intentions of building their own operating system, focusing on building an entire ecosystem similar to Apple. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Nothing OS 4? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.